Hey everybody, thanks for visiting our channel. I just wanted to pop in for a couple minutes and let you know that we have a pretty amazing campaign going on. We are offering 1 month for free, totally free, no strings attached, of online calligraphy lessons. Go to baikei.org. I'll put the link here. Put in your name, your email, and that's pretty much it. And we will sign you up, and you don't have to register a credit card or anything like that. We will provide you with lessons for the month that you can practice along with at home. And you send in your work, and our professional calligraphy teachers here will give you some tips as to how to improve and send it back to you. Then you practice a bit more and repeat the process. If you enjoy the class at the end of the month, then you can go ahead back to the website and sign up as a student. The usual class, it's 999 Japanese yen per month, which is about $10. That gives you access to our professional calligraphy teachers as well as homework, and we provide some PDFs that you can practice along with. And if you're already a subscriber of our YouTube channel, you know that we post a lot of lesson videos, and we have a lot of helpful playlists for beginners. So there you have it, Seisho Shohokai's Japanese calligraphy course. 1 month, totally free. Sign up now, you got nothing to lose. We are based in Osaka, Japan. Of course, with the corona pandemic right now, nobody can travel. It's a really tough time for a lot of people, but we offer cultural visas for foreigners. We have students from all around the world coming here to practice calligraphy, and it's a really great program. It's really fun, but hey, you know, if you're not committed to moving to Japan and you still have an interest in Asian art, Japanese art, calligraphy, try it out for free, see if you like it, learn something new. It's always good to try a new hobby, right? Have a look at baikei.org for more information. We really appreciate all of your support. It's been a long journey, and we are just getting started. See you on the next video.